What's up, guys? Today's video, I'm gonna put the new exhaust we got today from Rottweiler Performance SC Project. Look at this beauty over here. Nice, look at this. Carbon fiber, SC Project. Let's put it on and let's see how this beauty sounds. Get my baby with me. Nobody likes a stuck exhaust, so let's change it. Visito da. A lot of difference, a lot of weight reduce. Let's see how this beauty sound. Let me rush. That's it, guys. Let's see how it sounds with the silencer on. As you see, it's on. Look this beauty, guys. Look. Ooh la la. Let's see. As you see, I have it on track mode. I don't see. I believe it's not different. That's a lot of difference than the stock. If it's perfect, amazing. The mount is really good. It has a cover for the Allen bolt too. Look at this. You don't see anything. Really nice. I get everything from Rottweiler Performance. So let me take out the silencer to see how it sounds. Let me rev a little bit. The silencer on. I think it's gonna be loud without a silencer, but it's really good. I love the sound. I love it. Let's see. I know the neighbors, they're gonna go crazy. All right, let's see. I hope it comes out easy. I don't want to scratch anything. Just pull it. That's how it is. It's a little harder than you think. But look at this. This one you save it. And look how big it is right now. Oh my god. That looks. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see how it sounds now. Ready? You ready? Oh my god! God damn it! Oh shit! I want to go for a ride for sure. Oh my god. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video. I'm gonna go for a ride and you're gonna see how it's gonna sound while I'm riding. So you guys be safe.